Spectar is a company that specializes in providing augmented reality solutions for the construction industry. Their primary focus is on enhancing construction workflows and improving the accuracy, efficiency, and safety of construction projects through the use of AR technology. Spectar allows construction professionals to overlay digital 3D models directly onto physical job sites. This helps in visualizing the final construction outcomes before the actual work begins, reducing errors and rework. Team members can collaborate in real time, viewing the same AR models on site, which improves communication and coordination among different stakeholders. Spectar integrates seamlessly with BIM software, allowing users to bring their detailed 3D models into the AR environment. This integration ensures that the most accurate and up-to-date information is used during construction. FRP walkways are popular choices for industrial and commercial applications due to their numerous advantages. They are constructed from panels or gratings made of fiberglass strands suspended in a thermosetting resin. These walkways are widely used in various industries due to their superior strength, durability, and resistance to harsh environmental conditions. FRP is highly resistant to a wide range of chemicals, including acids, alkalis, and solvents. This makes them ideal for use in harsh environments where traditional steel walkways would quickly corrode. These are significantly lighter than steel walkways, which makes them easier to install and transport. This can also be an advantage in situations where weight is a critical factor, such as on rooftops. Concrete plinth elements are essentially structural components made from concrete that form the base of a structure, providing a solid foundation and raising the building above the ground level. They are typically precast concrete elements manufactured off-site in a controlled environment, then delivered and assembled at the construction site. This provides several advantages, including better quality control, consistent dimensions, and improved efficiency during construction. Concrete is a strong and durable material that can withstand significant loads. Plinth elements are typically reinforced with steel bars to further enhance their strength and performance. Concrete is highly resistant to other elements such as rain, snow, and wind. Termodom is a construction technology that refers to a type of insulated concrete form, ICF, building system. It is designed to create energy-efficient, durable, and comfortable homes and buildings. The term combines thermo, relating to temperature and insulation, and dom, which means house in many Slavic languages. Termodom buildings are constructed using insulated concrete forms, which are hollow blocks or panels made of expanded polystyrene, EPS, or other insulation materials. These forms are assembled on site and then filled with reinforced concrete. The concrete core provides exceptional structural integrity, making Termodom buildings resistant to natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods. The thick, insulated walls provide excellent soundproofing, creating a quieter indoor environment. Hotblok refers to a building system that utilizes lightweight concrete blocks with a unique insulation core for constructing single-leaf walls. The key element of a Hotblok block is a foamed polystyrene insulation core sandwiched between blended cement concrete on both sides. This design minimizes thermal bridges, which are areas in a wall where heat can easily transfer, leading to energy loss. By reducing thermal bridges, Hotblok walls can offer superior thermal insulation compared to traditional single-leaf wall constructions. The improved thermal insulation of Hotblok walls can potentially reduce heating and cooling costs in buildings, contributing to increased energy efficiency. Due to the high insulation value of the blocks themselves, Hotblok walls typically don't require additional insulation layers, simplifying the construction process. The single-leaf wall system can potentially lead to faster construction times compared to traditional methods that involve multiple layers for insulation. Sekisui SPR, formerly known as Sekisui SPR Construction, and Sekisui SPR is a European company specializing in trenchless pipeline rehabilitation. Sekisui SPR focused on trenchless pipeline rehabilitation methods. These techniques repair or replace underground pipes with minimal excavation, reducing disruption to the surrounding environment and infrastructure. One of their specialties was the spiral wound lining method. This technique involves inserting a specially designed liner into the existing pipe, creating a structurally sound barrier and extending the pipe's lifespan. Though the name changed, RTI carries on the expertise and experience established by Sekisui SPR in trenchless pipeline rehabilitation. Their services cater to various industries reliant on functional underground pipelines, including water supply, wastewater, and gas distribution. EverPanel is a unique modular wall panel system that allows you to quickly and economically divide spaces, create rooms, and define areas. These are lightweight, interlocking panels that can be used to create temporary or permanent walls. EverPanel can be used to create a variety of different room configurations, from small offices to large event spaces. The panels are easy to assemble and disassemble. This makes them a great option for temporary walls or for spaces that need to be reconfigured frequently. EverPanel panels are made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand everyday use. The panels are lightweight and easy to move, so you can easily take them with you if you need to relocate. EverPanel panels come in a variety of colors and finishes, so you can choose a look that complements your existing decor. Heliatek is a German company pioneering the development of organic photovoltaics type of solar technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we capture solar energy. Unlike traditional silicon-based solar panels, Heliatek focuses on OPVs, which utilize organic materials like carbon and hydrogen to convert sunlight into electricity. These are lighter and more flexible than traditional panels, making them suitable for curved surfaces and building integration. Their flagship product is Heliosol, a thin-film organic solar foil. Imagine a highly flexible sheet that can be applied to various surfaces to generate electricity. Tile and brick molds are tools used to create shaped concrete or clay products, such as tiles and bricks. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and can be made from a variety of materials, including plastic, rubber, and metal. These molds have a hollowed-out center that forms the shape of the tile or brick. Concrete or clay is poured into the cavity, and then the mold is removed to reveal the finished product. These molds compress the concrete or clay to form the desired shape. They are typically used for larger tiles or bricks. These molds create multiple tiles or bricks at a time, making them more efficient for larger projects. Azteck Pool is a brand of above-ground swimming pools manufactured by Zodiac, a French company. Azteck pools are known for their modular design, which makes them easy to assemble yourself. The pools are made from a composite material that is resistant to rot, mold, and insects. They are also available in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit any backyard. Azteck pools come in kit form, and all the components are designed to fit together easily. You can typically assemble an Azteck pool in 5 to 8 hours. These are made from a composite material that is resistant to rot, mold, and insects. They are also backed by a 10-year warranty on the wood composite. Azteck pools can be customized with a variety of options, such as different liner colors, coping materials, and filtration systems.